हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड 5th स्टँडर्ड EVS चॅप्टर नंबर 19 कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ फूड टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर. तर चला सुरुवात करूया. What's the solution? First, the body requires adequate quantity of protein. Answer is, to meet requirement of protein necessary for our body, we should consume protein rich food. We should include food like eggs, meat, fish, pulses, beans and dairy products like cheese, milk, yogurt, etc. in our diet. Vegetarian people should include at least 1 cup in bracket caton of dal daily in their diet, as that is the only source of protein in their diet. Question number 2, use your brain power. त्यामध्ये first, why are children told to drink milk every day? Answer is, children are growing tall and hence their bones are also growing. Calcium is needed for strong bones, hence children need to get large amounts of calcium for proper growth of bones. Milk is a source of calcium which can supply the required amount of calcium necessary for growth of bones. Therefore, children are told to drink milk every day. Question number 3, give 2 sources of each of the following constituents. Answer, constituents and example of sources of food. Constituents, first minerals, त्यामध्ये मिल्क, ग्रीन लीफी व्हेजिटेबल्स. सेकंड प्रोटीन्स, त्यामध्ये एग, पल्सेस, स्टार्च, त्यामध्ये पोटॅटो अँड ज्वार. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फिल इन द ब्लँक्स. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट, डॅश डॅश इज अवर बॉडी डॅश डॅश इज अवर फूड गिव अस द ॲबिलिटी टू रेसिस्ट डिसीजेस. ऑप्शन ए प्रोटीन, बी विटॅमिन्स, सी फॅट्स. Then answer is vitamins. B, calcium makes our bones dash dash. Option A strong, option B weak, option C smooth. Answer is option A strong. Then C, foodstuff that taste sweet contain various kinds of dash dash. Option A sugar, option B jaggery, option C honey. Answer is option A sugar. D, a diet that provides all the constituents of food in the right proportion is called as dash dash diet. Option A irregular, option B regular, option C balanced. Answer is option C balanced. Question number 5, answer the following questions. त्यामध्ये first, A, of what use are the sugars that we get from the digestion of starch? Answer is, the sugars obtained from digestion of starch burn slowly in our body and release energy which is necessary for doing various works. B, name the sources of fiber in our diet. Answer is, sources of fiber in our diet are cereals like wheat, jowar, bajra, etc. from which we make chapati or bakri, and all the fruits and vegetables that we eat. Option C, what are carbohydrates? Answer is, constituents of food like starch, fibers and sugars that provide energy to our body are called as carbohydrates. D, what is mean by malnutrition? Answer is, our diet should supply various constituents like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in the right proportion for proper nourishment and growth. If the diet taken lacks in some constituents over a long period of time, the person does not get proper nourishment. This leads to a condition called as malnutrition. Malnutrition has serious consequences on health. Lack of sufficient quantities of proteins and carbohydrates lead to stunted growth. Question number 6, match the following. Question, column A, column B. So we have to match the following. Answer, column A, fats. Answer is oil. Second, proteins. Answer is pulses. Third, vitamins. Answer is bran of cereals. Fourth, minerals. Answer is iron. Fifth, starchy foods. आन्सर इज ज्वार. तर अशा प्रकारे चॅप्टर नंबर 19चे क्वेश्चन आन्सर इथे संपलेले आहे. थँक्यू सो मच.